Welcome to the Atlas XL installation guide. Follow these simple steps to set up your massage chair quickly and easily. First, connect the touchscreen remote cable to the chair. Turn on the chair and recline it. Next, remove the armrest panel cover. Align and fit the armrest panel into the slots on the chair body. Connect the air hoses to their matching nozzles. Prepare the tools from the package to secure the armrest panel. Insert and tighten the screws into the slots on the armrest. Reattach the armrest panel cover, aligning it properly. Finally, insert and tighten the screws into the slots on the armrest panel cover. For the leg rest assembly, turn on the chair, return it to its original position, and turn it off. Unscrew the screws from the chair body and remove the protective film. Open the leg rest bracket cap and push the locking pins inward on both sides of the leg rest bracket. Plug in the wire harness and insert the air hose. Lift and connect the leg rest, making sure to lift it higher for proper alignment. Close the bracket cover and reattach the screws that were removed earlier. Remove the film and secure the hook and loop fastener. Next, insert the holder stand into the mounting hole and place the remote on the holder. Lastly, connect the cable securely to the port and zip all seat cover zippers to the chair body. Turn on the chair and enjoy the ultimate relaxation. Congratulations, your Atlas XL is now ready. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the comfort it provides.